All right, I'm Jeff Fox. I am here at the Q-SYS booth for InfoComm 2025. What I'd like to talk to you about right now is VisionSuite Designer. VisionSuite Designer is the latest software solution that adds to the Q-SYS design software. This is a native solution that is working within VisionSuite. It works on our VSA 100, but it brings together all of our new operating solutions that give you the ability to do presenter spotlight, speaker spotlight. It uses this new software that is allowing you to model and create an environment so that you can understand exactly where your trigger zones are, where your audio zones are, where all your cameras are going to be. And instead of relying on presets, this new technology puts together dynamic automation where it is figuring out and solving where your cameras need to be looking and where they need to be picking up audio with your speakers to make sure that everybody is getting a great view of the environment, of the room, of the space, and then providing that for remote attendees. That's VisionSuite Designer, and I am Jeff Fox. Once again, please go to Q-SYS, Q-SYS.com, and go to VisionSuite to learn more.